Good afternoon. We're having a look at the weekly Dow chart because, you know, last week we had quite a good week on the Dow. However, there's always a however with me, isn't there? But however, our high actually at 266.95. We didn't take out the high that we made back earlier last year. You can see that's at 26951. Now, unless we take out this level, we're going to have this triple topping, head and shouldery sort of thing up there, topping formation anyway. Now, the other thing that's quite important is look how we've been rallying, and we know what we've been doing since Christmas. Look how we've been rallying, and yet here the rate of change started to come lower, and we've gone higher and it's still come lower. These technical indicators, as I've always said, they do guide you into what direction you should be going through to, and they just let you know that, hang on a minute, maybe we are not going to keep going up in a straight line. Now at the moment we are slightly up pre-open. We're at 26,530. Our weekly pivot is at 26516, which is slightly above that. Our daily pivot is at 26492. We are slightly above that as well. But as I said, unless you take out this high, the market isn't going to go any higher. It's going to fall. Where can we come back to? Well, I've put the fibs levels on there for you. You can see them. No real shakes about them. They look quite good. You've got this 9-week moving average that's coming in at 26072. You've got the first fib here. You've got the 21 and the 55-week period moving average there coming in at 25183 and 25126. So if we can't break up today or tomorrow, these are the levels that we're going to be looking at on the downside going through the rest of this week. Now you can see that the weekly stochastics are just beginning to turn bearish. If I show you back here where we had that little top, we are higher here than here. So we've got weekly divergence on the charts. So please be very, very careful. Don't get taken away, carried away, or taken away, what way you want to look at it. Don't get carried away with the fact that this is going to go to the moon and back. It will only keep going higher if we take out that high. But with these diverging indicators, I'm not sure we can do that just yet. Let's have a look at the daily, see what that shows us. Not showing us a lot, except that when we made that new high, what we've seen on that weekly chart, we couldn't sustain it the following day and we gapped. So we've got a gap on the Dow to 26582. Okay, that's where the gap is on this. See where it opens today, and then we can have a look and go forward from that point. Everything else, daily stochastics pointing down, ROC pointing down, RSI at neutral levels but pointing lower. Just be very, very careful. You could get a spurt up to the base of that gap there that I've said, which is the 26582 area. Apart from that, good luck, and I'll be with you all afternoon.